Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. This is an amazing chess position. It is white to move. Should white resign? Or perhaps there is a hope for a draw. Please pause and find the best move for white. Let's first start with a variation that doesn't work. If we push the pawn and promote it to queen, then bishop to f5 check, and after king to c7, bishop takes on c8, king takes on c8, and then b5, and black is winning. Even if king to b6 is played, black is winning. Let's go back. So, pushing the pawn doesn't work. Did you find king to e6? If you did, no, congratulations. Then black plays king to e4, and after pawn is pushed, there is check. King moves, bishop takes queen, and black is winning. Let's go back to the starting position. Some people say, I tried everything and it didn't work. They really didn't try everything. They tried many things, but not everything. Did you try this amazing move? King to c8. It looks so wrong, doesn't it? But this move saves the game. Let's see how. Black must save the pawn. b5. And then white plays king to d7. King now came back to d7. Bishop to f5 check. Let's take it back. How about b4? Then king to d6. And after bishop to f5, king to e5. King to g4. King to d4, and amazingly, the white king is in the square. b3, king to c3, bishop defends the pawn, pawn is pushed and promoted to queen, bishop takes queen, king takes pawn draw. Let's go back. So, instead of b4, bishop to f5 check, then king to d6, b4, how do you continue now? There is only one good move for white in this position, and that is king to e5, attacking the bishop. If b3, king takes bishop, and after b2, both players get a queen, draw. And let's go back. If instead of king to g4, bishop to c8, then king to d4, b3, king to c3, what now? Bishop to e6, pawn is pushed promoted to queen, bishop takes queen, king takes pawn, draw. Amazing, isn't it? Sometimes in life, like in chess, solution is right in front of us, but we don't see it. But sometimes, if we change a view or approach, the solution suddenly looks so easy. Doesn't it? Did it ever happen to you? What do you think of this little chess puzzle? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.